This is in case the caravan comes away from the tow bar. This is to keep it going, and that connects to the handbrake, okay? I'm not an expert, this is just what I've learned. Right, we're ready to go. Let's go, people. I have just arrived and I've just been faffing around deciding how to park up the caravan, and I'm just stunned at the views. They're absolutely gorgeous, and to wake up tomorrow morning to that view, it's just going to be, I'm just going to feel very grateful. I'm feeling very grateful as it is. It's windy. So I'm going to show you inside, and then I'm going to get it set up, hung up. There's no curtains up. There's the kitchen area. Oh, and there's a little wipe, and there's the bed half made up. So yeah, I'm just going to get it together. Woo! And then I'll film again. I just wanted to show you these really quickly. It's really windy. We're going to eat dinner around here because here it's nice and quiet and blocking the wind. But I want to cook here, so I want to show you these. What they are is they're called screw pegs, but I won't bore you with showing you how it works. It's pretty straightforward. So for when it gets windy tonight, it's hooked in. Okay, I haven't managed to finish setting up, but I've got my little wine rack there, and I've got my table ready. Oh my gosh. Have wine and watch the view. I've been putting the kids' stuff out, their blankets and cushions, their charger points are there, and yeah, they're on their way. Oh, and I've got to put these up for tonight, which will be so much fun. Just trying to get this fire going so that I can warm the coals to cook. Each. Baby. Fire. Mummy, have a bite? I'll have the burnt bit. Amazing.
I can have another one too. No, it's okay. You can use the stick.
Well, I can't. Lydia's using it.
Oh. Right, darling.
Olivia. Good morning, darling. Are you still tired? Yeah.
Playground.
Come on then, let's go to the playground. So Lydia, it's not even 6 AM yet. I've been up since about 5. And Lydia wanted to come to the park, but I don't mind because, look, the views, sun's rising. And I've got my coffee. Got the little heater on down there. He's having a jelly for breakfast. It's all water, isn't it? Got a nice croissant, got some jams. Had both my babies in bed with me last night. Oh, look at that. Sweet, she's so snuggly. When are we going to come and sit down with you? Tell Sissy to wake up now.
Wake up!
Nicely. Oh, I should feed you that. Jelly in the van. Jelly in the van. Another man camping over there in the background. In a berg house. He's got nice views. There's a guy camping here. He's got like an awning. He's car camping, but he has got an awning on the front. He hasn't got a very good view, has he? We got the best view. Good morning, baby. Time to get up. Beep, beep. Nice to be back. We just had a good walk, didn't we? Are you tired? Yeah, did you have a nice day at preschool? Yes, you did. Oh, it's very windy today, isn't it, darling? Yeah, is it day 2? We're just going to have a little chill. Oh, so we're on day 2. An early start this morning. So today they've been at school and nursery. Oh, so Mummy's been outside, hasn't she? Lydia is just having a great trash off the bed. Trashing everything. But that's fine, I've left that undone, so my eldest isn't here tonight. So I've taken the opportunity to have a little tidy and a sort. These are all our electronics, well, power banks and stuff. And I'm able to have this table and 2 chairs made up because she's not going to be using the bed. Just been having a little sort of my kitchen area. I'm putting away like my bowls and plates and stuff and having a little tidy and a wash. And as you saw outside, I've set up for tonight for Lydia and I to start eating. So I'm going to start the bonfire now. Going. Oh, it's coming, my darling. You ready? Is it nice?
Too hot.
Too hot. Do you want Mummy to cut them up?
No.
No, thank you. Wow. Oh.
I saved this some.
Are we watching our movie?
I saved you some.
Are we watching our movie?
I saved you some.
No, I got lots. You can have some of mine. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you having a nice time?
Yeah.
Well, thank you for coming and I love you. Good morning everyone, it's our last day. So, I mean look, it's very messy in here. I've just started packing up. And I'm packing everything into these huge IKEA bags because after this trip I want to take everything home, give everything a good wash and clean, ready for the summer. Oh, we had our electric heater last night, cozy. And then this morning I just kind of flicked it on. So glad I bought the toaster because we're having a little bit of cheeky chocolate toast this morning in bed, aren't we, babe? And I don't mind because I'm gonna strip all this and take it home and wash it, so we don't mind crumbs. It's an excuse to give the caravan a good clean. But I'm gonna be sad to leave today, and I'm really gonna miss waking up to that view. So a little tip for packing up day: have something downloaded to keep the kids entertained. You want to keep them in bed or in the same place as long as possible. Have all your clothes you're wearing for that morning to one side. About these bags, so I mentioned earlier about the huge IKEA bags. All my bedding and everything's gone into here, and you know, like accessories for the caravan. But these are Amazon, and I believe they come in a set of 3, and they are extra large storage bags. I'll try and grab the link, and if I remember I'll try and put it below. It is to keep one of each of these as a spare in the caravan. So like today, as I'm packing up, I know that I want to take everything home to be washed, whereas usually I'd store them, or you can store your blankets and cushions in them, and I've got storage under my seat area. But yeah, they can just go straight into the car now. Cool. And also have a little basket for your wash stuff. I get these from Amazon. These bamboo toothbrushes, I think, come in a pack of 3. They're adult ones. It's just better for the environment, of course. And I keep them in the caravan for travelling. Yes, that's a pack of 3. But the children's ones, they're really nice. And I'm so glad I packed some, because Lydia needed a toothbrush. I packed 2 of them. I always pack enough for everyone. And these come in a pack of 5. Again, I will try and put the links if I remember. So they're always good to keep in here. But I just wanted to show you completely empty. So before in our videos you've seen a lovely storage unit that goes up here. A nice curtain pole that separates the living area from the bedroom area. And it all just gets stacked at the back under the chairs. Till next time, my little sausage. See you soon, Esther.